Hello friends, today we will do the unboxing of this Pragati system whiteboard. It's a magnetic whiteboard and I had ordered with a size of 2 feet cross 3 feet. But it looks slightly bigger than what I had expected. So let's do the unboxing. It's a big one, so I will have to plan where to put it on the wall. For now I will just put it here. So it's so big, it's looking so big that I'm not able to capture entirely in my mobile. Packaging looks good. I had ordered it from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description. And now I have taken it out of the box, and this is not the board, this is just thermocol, so don't get confused. Packaging looks really nice. And there is no duster provided with this, so I had ordered it separately. We will also write something on this board and see if there are any marks of any sort. And I had ordered a set of 2 boards since I needed 2 boards and the price was slightly lower. For one it was 1350 Indian rupees, for 2 it was 2300 rupees, and there are some non-magnetic version also. You can see shining surface, and that's why it's magnetic. On the back side it's shining. There are some non-magnetic version also. This is the steel one, and both are identical, so we will just open one of them and write on it. So you can see it's a big size. I am just going backward, and you can put it on the wall and you can use it for teaching as well, or you can write some big notes what you plan to do in a day. So let's remove this. And this is the board, and it's a slight plastic protection on top of it. That's why you see these bubbles trapped inside it. And they have provided this to put it on the wall on both sides. You can even slide them, and on this side also 2 are provided, so you can put it in this way, or you can rotate it 90 degree and again put it on the wall. So both possibilities are there. So let's remove this plastic. Now let's try to write something on it. So this is a duster which was not provided with this. I had ordered this separately, but luckily this also had a couple of markers with it. So we can use this for writing here. And first let's check if it's magnetic or not. So both this duster and this is magnetic duster, and you can see it sticks to it. You can also put a marker here, and that's cool. So we write something on it and let's erase it, and there is no problem, there is no mark. So let's write the name of your favorite channel, all of yours, and it's good. So please press this thumbs up button. Also share with your friends if you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. It looks a very good whiteboard. Thank you.